You're flying?
There's mommy.
Did you like it? Mommy's there. There's mommy. There's mama. Okay, let me see you guys do it. Go. Whatever. There you go. Okay, Aaron's turn. Okay. Woo! Yeah, tumble time. There you go. Okay, go ahead, Aaron. Mia, your turn. Tumble time. Tumble.
Put your head on the ground. Head like this. Do that.
Look at the way she's looking at her. Tumble.
Let's have a tumbling race. I'm just kidding. Yeah, tumbling.
Okay, ready? Go. Ready? Right there. Straight. To Anjo. Ready?
I can't do it.
More.
I lost. More.
Faster.
Okay, Mia's turn. Go tumble.
I can't do it.
No tricks for her today. Do you guys have a headache now?
No, our head's itchy because of the grass.
What's wrong, Mia? Tell me what's the matter.
Where's my phone?
It's on the seat. Tyler's there. What happened, Mia? What are you sad about? Do you want to sing again? No, not today.
Ganun lang. Yeah. Ganun lang. But the body is like
Wait, why?
You're only 7'3"?
Here and you got
Tomorrow I'm going to a seminar. Like, are you at 7'3"? No, next, ano pa? October pa. So you went today. Last night.
Okay. It's my turn.
It's her turn. Yeah. No, you gotta go one more time. Cause you're the first one. Yep, there you go. Then it's Aaron's turn.
Wait, they're too close together.
They are too close together.
Oh my gosh! Ah!
You have to lunge. Wait, are you guys doing a routine right now or are you just stretching? Where's Mama? I don't know. Go play with this Sissa and Aaron. Go. And Kristen. What are you guys doing right now? I don't get it.
The cheer stretch.
For this song? With this song?
Looks like your guys' fourth grade. Okay.
That's it. Okay.